Hello friends, today we are going to provide a quick glimpse of a very useful book, The Science of Getting Rich. Full summary will be uploaded soon on your YouTube channel. The book readers will soon. As I find this very mesmerizing, so I thought make a quick summary of the book. So you can get the best review of the book by this trailer video. Unlock the secrets to financial abundance. A summary of The Science of Getting Rich. In today's video, we'll delve into the timeless principles of wealth creation outlined in Wallace D. Wattles' classic book, The Science of Getting Rich. Key takeaways. Asterisk the power of thought. Wattles emphasizes that wealth is not just about luck or hard work. It's also about cultivating a positive and abundant mindset. By believing in your ability to succeed, you attract opportunities and manifest your financial goals. Asterisk the law of attraction. The book introduces the concept that like attracts like. By focusing on positive thoughts and desires, you can attract wealth and prosperity into your life. Asterisk taking action. While positive thinking is essential, it must be coupled with action. Wattles stresses the importance of taking consistent steps towards your financial goals. This could involve starting a business, investing, or acquiring new skills. Asterisk giving value. The book teaches that true wealth is not just about accumulating money but also about adding value to the world. By providing valuable services or products, you create opportunities for both yourself and others. In this video, we'll explore these principles in more detail and discuss practical tips on how to apply them in your own life. Whether you are looking to increase your income, start a business, or simply improve your financial well-being, The Science of Getting Rich offers valuable insights that can help you achieve your goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on personal growth and financial success.